Hi everyone, I will show you how to pin a tweet on Twitter. First of all, open your Twitter app and tap your profile picture. Then tap your profile. Now scroll down and tap the three lines on the post. Then tap the pin to profile option. Then again tap the pin option. Now your tweet is pinned on your Twitter. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.